Hello everyone. Today, we have an amazing story about a clever girl named Emma, who at first seemed very lazy. By the end, you'll discover how even someone who dislikes hard work can achieve great success with smart thinking. While we enjoy the story, we'll also learn some new words and practice making sentences. This will help us improve our English in a fun and exciting way, so stay with us until the very end. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green hills and flowing rivers, there lived a young girl named Emma. She lived in a cozy cottage with her grandparents near the edge of a forest. Unlike other children, Emma did not run or play too much. She loved lying in the sun, watching birds and clouds, and thinking quietly. People in the village thought she was lazy, but Emma had her own ways of solving problems cleverly. Her grandparents sometimes worried about her. "Emma," her grandmother said one morning, "what will you do when we are old and cannot help in the fields?" Emma always smiled. She knew she could find clever solutions if she really needed to. One hot summer, heavy storms damaged the village crops. Emma's grandparents were too weak to repair the fields, so Emma had to try herself. She worked hard for the first time, but soon realized that hard labor was not easy. The crops began to wilt, and she felt tired and frustrated. Sitting under the stars, she whispered, "I should have tried harder before. Now it feels like everything is lost." The next morning, Emma heard a loud announcement in the village square. A royal messenger had arrived. The king was organizing a grand competition, and the prize was a large treasure chest that could save her family. Emma thought quickly, "This could help us. I have to enter." Without thinking twice, she joined. The villagers laughed. "How can someone like Emma, who is lazy, compete with the strongest people in the kingdom?" they whispered. Emma ignored them. She had a strong reason and a smart plan. The first challenge was a mountain climb. Many contestants ran up quickly, using their strength. Emma paused at the foot of a steep cliff and looked around. Then she saw a thick vine hanging from a tree. Carefully, she tied it to a strong branch and created a swing. Swinging carefully, she crossed the dangerous part safely, while others struggled and slipped. Emma's smart idea let her finish third, advancing to the next round. The final challenge was even more difficult. Each contestant had to move a heavy stone across a long, uneven path. Tools were provided, but only one could be chosen. The strongest participants grabbed ropes and levers immediately. Emma thought carefully, "I cannot compete with strength. I need to be clever." She chose a small hammer and began chipping the stone slowly, turning it into a round, smooth ball. Villagers gasped. "How can a small hammer help move that giant stone?" they whispered. Emma smiled quietly. Once the stone was round, she rolled it along the path with ease. Others struggled with their heavy square blocks. On the path, Emma faced small obstacles, rocks, puddles, and uneven ground, but she adjusted her rolling technique. Sometimes the stone nearly tipped over, but she stayed focused, adjusting speed and direction carefully. With patience and clever thinking, she passed all competitors and crossed the finish line first. The crowd erupted in cheers, amazed that the lazy girl had won. Emma's story teaches us an important lesson. Even if you feel lazy, clever thinking and determination can help you achieve great things. A strong reason like helping your family can motivate you to work hard and succeed. Along the way, we also learn new words and ways to make sentences. Remember, learning English can be exciting and fun if you practice regularly. Keep listening, reading, and growing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next story.